Okay guys, well we just got off Splash Mountain. It was awesome, great time. Now we're about to go ride Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh yeah. Starting to smell the chlorine. It's not chlorine, it's
pirate water.
Pirate water. Pirates, ye be warned. That don't look good. RB ghosts on this ship. Well, we're on it. We on a pirate ship. I always love this part right here. The waterfall. Too cool. Come on guys, look alive. He's just chilling. Whoa! That was crazy. This guy's staring into the abyss.
Aye, 'tis true, me mateys. Dead men tell no tales.
Oh, look at this guy. That's Bia Barbosa. Okay. I found him! I found him! Darby a sparrow.
Hey, send them hens a Davy Jones. It's the Rolling.
They're selling chickens.
What may I offer for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer.
10 pesos.
Golden eggs. Hey there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boy?
Yeah!
Hey, watch the rum. I've had the key as well.
Well, here, toss it in the boat.
To see the local.
Hey, look. There's Sparrow again. Hey, look, honey, it's me and you. Pirates like for me. It looks like the town is ablaze. Uh-oh. Looks like this guy's got a bomb. The place be ablaze. You just stay there, buddy. Stay there for eternity. Don't give him that key. Jack.
I shall take this corporate sum as a starting to cover my expenses. Managers and jewels. Bring up behind Joe.
Okay, well we survived pirates. Now we're gonna journey into the haunted mansion. Too cool. Oh, we've entered the haunted mansion.
Ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Spooky.
They have all three. If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the road.
Oh, dark. It's hard to get anything. Spooky bats. Ooh.
the party. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards,
Spooky.
witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
I hear a bell. Looks like it's summertime. Oh, there's some ghosts in here. Oh. That's a little creepy.
As long as we both shall live.
I think we're going into the graveyard. Oh, here we go. Oh boy. We're in the grave. Look at all these other guys. Okey doke.
And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking Joanne.
You guys need a ride?
Selected you to fill our corner, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Oh, I got a beard. We just got off Haunted Mansion. Pretty awesome, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That ride never disappoints. Now we're gonna check out Peter Pan's flight. We're waiting in the line. Not sure how long it is, but how long? We don't care. We're here all day. Here we get to see Wendy's room. Oh, there's Tink. Tinkerbell flying around. This is pretty cool. Normally, we've never got to see this stuff because we always have fast passes. But they're not doing fast passes here at Disney right now, so pretty neat. We gotta remember to always keep this window open. Peter Pan, get in. Tink's bringing all kinds of magic in this room. Oh, isn't that cool? Hi, Tinkerbell. Hello. She's bringing her flight magic. Oh, she's getting in the drawer. She's very snoopy. And she's... Okay, well, we're off to Neverland. Alright. Whoa, we're up pretty high. Bye-bye, London. Pretty cool. Man, this thing's really moving. Maybe that's why it seems shorter. There, Mr. Smee. There, we're finally coming up on some stuff. Personally, I think the one in California is better. Seems like they got more stuff. Hey, there's Ariel. Some other mermaids. Hey, Ariel. Oh, we got some Indians. Pretty dark in here, guys. I'm doing my best. Oh. Wendy. Hi, Wendy. Oh, no. Hello, boys. Yeah, it's hard.
So fast.
I know. It's really moving. I don't think it's ever this fast. There we go. There, you're safe. Okay, that was good. Yeah, the one in California is a lot longer. There's Mr. Smee. Get him, Croc.
Help me! Mr. Smee, help me! I'm coming.
Okay. Send him off. Wow, that was fast. Too fast.
Super fast.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. That was really fast. That's the fastest that's ever gone for us. What did that last? Like 30 seconds? I mean, it really felt like it did. It was crazy. But, yeah. Moving on to the next one, we're going to go check out one of these holiday treats here at Pinocchio House. So, looks pretty good. We'll show you here in a second. Okay, so we're at the Pinocchio Village House. Pinocchio Village House. And here's our treat, holiday treat. A lot of chocolate. Got chocolate ganache there in the middle. What's that chocolate on top here?
Just chocolate and chocolate and
Oh
chocolate.
man, let's take a bite. Give it a whirl there. It's cold.
I think they had it in the fridge, but that's fine. Very chocolatey. It's good.
Is it?
It's very rich.
Yeah.
Very,
I
very
can tell by your face. It looks a little. Yeah, that is a little solid. Oh man. That's very chocolatey.
Indeed.
That's good.
It's good. It's very rich.
Yeah, it's.
It's like, I need a big old glass of milk.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. If you had some milk, this would be perfect. Yeah, we got Jiminy Cricket up here at top. Pinocchio. Hey, Jiminy! See you, buddy. Yeah, we're walking over to Ariel's Grotto here. I want to show you guys Beast Castle. It's a sit-down restaurant here. Pretty decent food. We're not going to eat here today, though. Awesome looking castle. Okay, well, we found the Little Mermaid ride.
That's what this story's all about. Hey, where you been? I've been waiting for you.
It's been a while.
This is such a great story about how Ariel became with that Ursula.
Oh, we're going underwater. Under the sea. Pretty cool. Oh, I hear Ariel. There she is. Oh, man, she got here quick.
I got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want thingamabombs?
I got 20.
And who
Yes.
cares? No big deal.
Oh yeah. It be jamming, man. Oh boy, I hear Sebastian. Whoa. There's the little guy.
He told her that Ursula could help her and her friends be together.
I got them where, guys.
As everlasting, they were killing the cold rich. But you find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Repentance and the night and the search
Ariel's got to get her voice back. Thinking about it. This takes you through the whole story. There we go. Guess it happens. Mr. Triton. There's Sebastian. They're all happy.
That's the way I remember it. Yeah. Now what was it? Oh, right. They all live, now how does that go? Happily ever after.
I'll tell you what, that Little Mermaid ride, that's a pretty awesome ride. And if you're here like during the summertime or in the fall and it's really hot here in Orlando, that's a really good one to go on because usually there's not a long line. And it's nice and cool in there. And usually, if there's not a long line, they'll let you ride on it a couple different times. So, pretty awesome. Moving to Storybook.